All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's word of the day. So dissertation. Dissertation. Yeah, like this document here. Dissertation. A technical and specialist, like one role, specialist document written by people at universities, often in their final year, to advance the education. So a document written at university. Yeah. So I have written a dissertation. Yeah. She wrote a dissertation about animals. Yeah. Okay. Straight. Okay. Okay. They also wrote their dissertation when I was at university with them. Okay. Right. Okay. Very good. Yeah. So he struggled to come up with an idea for his dissertation. Yeah, because there are so many topics, that you can choose from. So many topics you can choose from. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So I will write a dissertation. Yeah. She will write her dissertation soon. Yeah. These dissertations are about advanced maths. So that dissertation is about spiders. It's about spiders. Spiders. Yeah. How cool is that? Very good. What was your dissertation about? So I know that he wrote a dissertation at university, but I just don't know what about. Yeah. 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 How cool is that? He's planning to write his dissertation soon. Yeah. So he needs to write his dissertation now. He needs to get started now. Yeah. How cool is that? They will write their scientific dissertation soon. So he is writing the dissertation about the maths and physics of rain. Rain. Yeah, why not? Yeah. So dissertation, a document, a technical and specialist document at university, often final year. So, can you use dissertation in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, and more to come, more videos on their way. And you can find me at English with Adrian. Yeah. By search on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram. And you can find me by searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.